Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to convert long videos into shorts for free using CapCut. Turning a long video into a YouTube short is easier than you might think, and you can do it for free using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and selecting the long video to shorts option. The app will ask for a few permissions, so go ahead and allow those. Next, head to the drag and drop area and choose the video you want to convert. If it's your first time, you might need to sign in first. Once your video is loaded, pick the duration you want, keeping it under 60 seconds for the best results on YouTube or TikTok. Hit convert and wait for CapCut to process your clip. When it's done, you'll see a selection of automatically generated shorts highlighting the key moments from your video. It's a quick and simple way to repurpose content. And a small tip, try trimming the clip to the most engaging parts first so the generated shorts really pop. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.